Hey Wanderers! Welcome back to Offbeat Wanderlust, where we take you to the hidden gems and quirky spots around the globe. Today, we're diving into the heart of Oxford, home to one of the oldest universities in the world, founded in 1096. Fun fact, there's a library in Oxford with over 12 million books, emser than you'd read in a lifetime. But when's the best time to visit? I'd say late spring, which is from April to June, when the gardens are in full bloom. The best way to get around? Walking or cycling, it's like stepping back in time. Stick around for number 7, it's a twist you won't see coming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for all the cool activities. Number 1. University and City Walking Tour with an Alumni Guide. Kicking things off, you can't come to Oxford and not dive into its rich history with a University and City Walking Tour. Imagine strolling through ancient cobbled streets while an enthusiastic alumni guide throws in juicy insider stories. From centuries-old traditions to secret societies, no, not the kind you're thinking of, this tour covers it all. It's like getting the Hogwarts letter you never received. Plus, you'll finally learn why Oxford students are obsessed with their gowns. Links to the tour in the description below. Trust me, it's the best way to get to know Oxford inside and out. And hey, if you're a history buff, this one's your bread and butter. Number 2. Harry Potter Walking Tour, including New College. Attention all Potterheads. Did you know Oxford played a key role in bringing the wizarding world to life? The Harry Potter Walking Tour takes you through magical spots like New College, where you can see iconic filming locations from the series. From wandering through Hogwarts courtyards to spotting the exact tree where Draco got turned into a ferret. Yep, it happened here. This tour is a dream come true for fans. Even if you're not into magic, the architecture alone will cast a spell on you. You might even find yourself whispering Wingardium Leviosa. No guarantees, but I heard it works better in Oxford. Number 3. Christ Church College and Cathedral Guided Tour. Next up, we have the Grand Christ Church College and Cathedral. This is no ordinary college, it's a true masterpiece. Imagine walking through halls where real-life royalty and fictional wizards have treaded the same floors. Yes, it's also a key Harry Potter filming location, but the real highlight is its Gothic architecture and the stunning cathedral. It's like stepping into a fairy tale or a history book with more glamour. The guided tour lets you soak in the history without the overwhelm, and you'll get those Gram-worthy shots without fail. Make sure you wear comfy shoes. This is a place you'll want to explore fully. Number 4. Climb the tower of St. Mary the Virgin Church. If you're craving some seriously breathtaking views, you've got to climb the tower of St. Mary the Virgin Church. Once you reach the top, you'll be rewarded with a sweeping view of Oxford's famous skyline. The spires and domes look like something out of a fantasy novel. But the real fun, the climb itself. It's a bit of a squeeze, narrow staircases and a few twists, but totally worth it. You'll feel like you've earned those panoramic shots. Plus, you can take a breather afterward at the nearby cafe. Who knew a workout could be this scenic? Warning: don't look down if you're not a fan of heights. Number 5. Explore the Ashmolean Museum. Free. Ready for a freebie? The Ashmolean Museum is one of the oldest museums in the world, and it's packed with treasures from ancient Egypt to modern art. Whether you're into mummies or Monet, there's something for everyone. The best part? Entry is totally free. You can easily spend hours wandering through its impressive halls without spending a dime. And for those who love quirky trivia, it's home to the famous Shrunken Heads exhibit. Trust me, you'll leave feeling a little smarter, or just creepily fascinated. Oxford may be known for its education, but this museum, it's a lesson in fun. Number 6. Visit the Covered Market. Hungry? Head over to Oxford's Covered Market, a treasure trove of quirky shops, local produce, and some of the best street food you'll find in the city. It's been around since the 1770s, so you're snacking in a piece of history. Whether you're after a gourmet pie or a sneaky sweet treat from Ben's Cookies, yes, they're famous for a reason. The market has something for every craving. Not just for foodies, you can also shop for handmade crafts and unique souvenirs. It's like a mini adventure. Every turn has something new. And honestly, it's probably the only place where shopping feels this charming. Number 7. Punt along the River Cherwell. All right, folks, here's the one I promised you'd be waiting for. Punting along the River Cherwell. Picture this, you're gracefully gliding down the river in a flat-bottomed boat, surrounded by lush greenery in the serene Oxford countryside. But here's the fun part, you're in charge of steering. Spoiler alert, it's trickier than it looks, so expect a few wobbles, giggles, and maybe an accidental spin or two. It's like the Oxford version of bumper cars, but way more picturesque. You can also hire a guide if you'd rather sit back and enjoy the ride without worrying about going in circles. Either way, it's a must-do. Number 8. Visit the Bodleian Library. Bookworms, rejoice! No trip to Oxford is complete without stepping into the legendary Bodleian Library, one of the oldest libraries in Europe. If you thought libraries were all about shushing, think again. The Bodleian is an architectural marvel with jaw-dropping Gothic ceilings and Hogwarts vibes. Yes, another Potter connection. You can take a guided tour to explore its ancient reading rooms or just wander through and soak up the atmosphere. Fun fact: students still have to take an oath promising not to set fire to any of the books. No pressure, right? Even if you're not a reader, the building alone is a masterpiece. Number 9. Explore the Oxford Botanic Garden. Free. Need a break from all that history and architecture? Take a peaceful stroll through the Oxford Botanic Garden, the oldest botanic garden in the UK. It's the perfect spot to unwind, breathe in some fresh air, and pretend you're a plant expert for the day. With over 5,000 species of plants, this place is a living, breathing museum. Whether you're into medicinal herbs or exotic flowers, there's something here that'll catch your eye. Plus, it's totally free. Grab a picnic, sit by the water, and watch the world slow down for a bit. Who knew learning about plants could be this relaxing? Number 10. Radcliffe Camera and the University Church of St. Mary the Virgin. Last but certainly not least, we have the iconic Radcliffe Camera and the University Church of St. Mary the Virgin. The Radcliffe Camera is probably Oxford's most Instagrammable building. Its grand, circular design looks straight out of a fantasy novel. It's actually a reading room for students, so you might not get inside unless you're ready to enroll. But fear not. The University Church of St. Mary right next door offers just as much historical charm, and you can explore its magnificent interior. Don't forget to climb the tower if you want one of the best views in town. Thanks for watching. And there you have it, 10 unique things to do in Oxford. Thanks so much for sticking around, Wanderers. I hope you're now as obsessed with Oxford as I am. If you enjoyed this video and want more Offbeat adventures, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which Oxford spot you're most excited to visit, or if you've already been, what your favorite memory was. All the links to the tours and activities I mentioned are in the description below. Until next time, keep wandering and stay curious.